Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I've got some lovely happy mail here from a couple of lovely ladies. So I'll show you what they sent me. First of all, where should we go with this? So the lovely Sophia sent me this gorgeous card. We decided to do a swap that was based around an afternoon tea. She's already received mine. I don't think I showed you anything from it because I'm terrible at doing that, but this is what she sent me. And I can see she's used that Sweet Treats pack. I didn't have any of these bits, but I know I had some bits from the Sweet Treats set. And she has sent me, I won't read all the things she said, but she did comment on one of my videos saying she saw a little diamond press die cutting machine in the charity shop for £1.50. And I remember saying to her, oh, if I saw that, I would have got it, even though I've got 3 die cutting machines already. And she was like, I might go back and get it. And then in her card, she's saying that she did go back and get it because who can resist a £1.50 deal? Nobody. So here is the gorgeous afternoon tea pocket letter from Sophia. There we go. And Sophia quite often comments on my videos and things, but as far as I know, she doesn't have any YouTube channel for you to follow at the moment. Look how pretty that is that she has made with a little heart. What does that say? Created for you. That's sweet, isn't it? And I love all these ribbons. It's always so pretty. And she's hung it from, actually I don't really know what they're called, those special little clips. I have some of those, but I still don't. Doesn't mean I know what they're called, which means that you can take it off and hang it to something else if you want to, or I want to. And there too from Sophia. That's cute, isn't it? And look at this. So she's used some of the bits from that Sweet Treats, which I think was, is it Do Crafts or Trim Crafts? One of those two did that collection. And there's some more bits there. And also there's like a little crocheted hat. Now, I'm not sure she crochets these things herself. If she does, they're very clever. Whether she's bought them. Either way, they're absolutely adorable. Look at that sweet little hat. Terrific. And inside, she's put lots and lots of goodies. So I think this sticker is here to help keep it shut. And I was thinking when I got this, that what a quality pocket letter pocket this is. Because it's got its own little middle layer to keep everything safe and secure. So I was very impressed by that. So we've got some little strawberries. I'm going to have to put that back, otherwise that's not going to work. Some little wooden strawberries. And with things like this, I quite often take off the foam pad because I find that just makes it a little bit too chunky, and just glue it on with my own glue. They're really sweet, aren't they? Do love a good strawberry. There's some Earl Grey tea. And then this one's cute. She's die cut some buttons, which I love. We know I love die cut buttons, but there's also some really sweet little safety pins in there in pastel colours. I'm very much a pastel girl. Oh, I like most colours. This is Six Petit Fleur Crafts and Miniatures. Never heard of that company, but that's cute, isn't it? So you can put a little image in there, and if you're very clever, you could cover it with resin or something. I'd probably have to colour it with glossy accents because I don't tend to do much resin. I do own some. And then you made a cute little image. So that would be fun to play with. And I was seeing something somewhere talking about not doing resin because bad for the environment. But who knows? I guess everything we do crafty-wise is probably not brilliant for the environment. A book is a gift you can open again and again. That's really cute, isn't it? It's got a little butterfly there. And this, I can tell, has got something in it because it's got some weight to it. So how I'm going to open it is beyond me. But let's have a go. Urgh. I'm just going to have to rip it. That's what it's come down to. Ah, dreaming of the sea. That's pretty. They've got some weight to it, those. And then in here, let's move some bits out of the way so we don't knock it all. Some... I'm going to have to open these up. I think those flowers are little sequins. And these are these little butterfly, yeah, little beads. So I can, thread those onto some charms. And these are little sequins. Very cute. Whether or not I can get them into the bag just now, so I don't leave a terrible mess on the table. They're not all back in. We'll try better in a minute when I stop filming. Then we've got another one of these really cute little bookmark things, making sure we're in focus. And some thread. Now, I've heard American people call this floss, which sounds hilarious because when you think of floss, you think of dental floss. And I would not floss my teeth with this. What I will do with it for crafting is make some tassels. Using my tassel maker, like something like that. That's one of the ones I've got to the side. So that's what I will be doing with that. But if you're in America and you call it floss, I do hope you don't floss your teeth with it. That's very pretty, isn't it? I love sequin trim and lots of bows. Ooh, these are like extra bowies, extra bows. You know, they're not just one bow, they're like double bows. I don't know if she's handmade those because I've never seen a double bow. And I now feel very tempted to stick something on the front of it. Let's see what we've got floating around to see how it would look. No, that's too big. But do you know what I mean? How cute they would look with something in the centre. Maybe not black. I was just seeing what I had in my drawers. So how gorgeous. I absolutely love that pocket letter. But she didn't stop there, as ever. Look at this. This obviously has to be my favourite. I don't know if she made this or bought this. If you made this, Sophia, then you're very clever. I love it. It's a little cupcake crocheted charm. How gorgeous. This is probably going to stay in my craft room because I found when I attach things like this to my bags, they get pulled off. But I'm going to have this in my craft room. How cool is that? So I absolutely love that. And then I did, as I say, I opened up some of this stuff and had a little look. I didn't open it all up, but she has popped in some washi tape. So it's got little bunting on. That's really cute. I do use up my washi tape. Some people say, well, I've got massive washi tape, but I never use it. Whereas I do use it. I guess it's a Happymail thing, isn't it? Like I often use it on Happymail and stuff like that, and envelopes. I love this that she's made. It's a little travel book. Just a really cute little notebook with interesting pages and things. But it's got this charm, and she's somehow attached a shell to it. So I don't know if this shell came with a hole in it. Not from the beach, obviously, whether she bought it from a shop with a hole in it or whether you've got some kind of very delicate drill. I'm always collecting shells, so I'd love to be able to drill holes in them to make jewellery and things. And then I know Sophia watches my videos and she probably saw that Pip and I did a Miffy swap recently, and I do love Miffy. So I was quite excited. Did we do Miffy or did we do... No, we did Hello Kitty. We didn't do Miffy. But I did bought something with Miffy on, didn't I? I know it somehow came up in my videos. I bought, yeah, Miffy's cute. But these are all, it's interesting because all these sticky notes are like separate, like her ears are independent to her face. So if you gave someone just like this sticky note, they might be like, well, what is that? So you'd have to put them all together, wouldn't you? Otherwise, that would be just a bit crazy. I'll do that one in a minute. So some lovely doilies, because I'm quite doily obsessed. Some stickers. We love stickers as well. That goes into my sticker collection. And this one I was very happy about. It looks like it comes from the Works. But I was thinking about buying some Handmade with Love stickers. I never got around to it. These are nice to put on the back of cards and other projects. So very happy to have those. And last but not least, she's very generously given me a mould. Let's have a close look at it. And we know that I love little moulds. So obviously you can use these with resin. I tend to put hot glue in them, and these are going to make some little fairies. This is brand new, so I can feel it's got that funny stickiness that I imagine. I'm thinking like silicone breast implants. I don't know why. I don't have breast implants, but just for some reason that comes to mind when I feel that. So I love making stuff on hot glue. Probably not good for the environment and probably quite pointless, but it's fun to do. So those are the gorgeous things that she sent me. So Sophia, thank you very much. And yeah, let me know when you next want to swap, because it's always so much fun swapping. I have been a bit slow with my crafting lately, but fortunately Sophia's good and gives me lots of time. So I'll pop that one to the side. And then Pip, who is like the super fast crafter. Strangely enough, and these were sort of organised at 2 different times, but our swap, mine and Pip's, was like a baking theme. So the theme seems very similar. Oh, also Sophia popped this in, which she said she got from one of those Daphne's Diary magazines. I do love Daphne's Diary, and that one looks like you can make it into a 3D Eiffel Tower. And if anyone has watched my videos, you'll know I do love Paris. I've only been once properly, but I adored it. When I say properly, we kind of drove through it one other time, but yeah, I adored it. So this is from Pip this time. The bits are falling out here, but that's okay, because the idea to come out, and I was messaging her saying, oh, you've done it in gingham, because how much have I talked about me liking gingham being like my favourite pattern. I don't know why. And this is also the colour of our school gingham dresses. You know, that the girls wear their gingham dresses in the summer, which is really cute. And I think this is graphic 45 paper. It's always a good guess with Pip, isn't it? Because I know she loves the graphic 45. So vintage baking, I absolutely love it. Quite obsessed. And look at these. I'm not sure what that's for. Is that like a scoop? I mean, in terms of baking, what you use that for. I'm not really a baker, if I'm honest, but I like the concept of baking and the look. Like I could get all the baking equipment in the kitchen as long as someone else was come along and do it. Oh, look, it's like half a bowl, and it's like she's put some cream inside. How cute. Favourite recipes. And she's making a cake, because she was back in the day when ladies, they knew they had to stay in the kitchen. They didn't try going out and doing other things. They did what they were told, and they stayed in the kitchen. And that was the result. A beautiful raspberry gâteau. Let's open this up. These are absolutely adorable. Although, oh, that one's fallen out, but that's easily fixed, isn't it? That just needs gluing back in. Look at these charms with cherries. That's so quirky. I love that. I might have to make something like that for my friends, like a quirky cherry charm. And they've got some real weight to them. I mean, they're not like, I'm not weightlifting or anything, but they've got some weight to them. They're proper metal. So what else has she put in the back of here? That was just the one that fell out. So we've got some salted caramel, yummy caramel tea. I don't actually drink tea. People often give me tea bags, but the reason it's quite useful is when we have friends around, it's quite nice. That's a little card she pops in with her name. It's quite nice to have a whole range of different teas to give them. And here are some little buttons with cupcakes on. Trying to be in focus. Happy birthday. Here, I think these are like fruits and vegetable stickers. These ones, I'm not entirely sure what they are. So would that be for like sort of pummeling and grinding things up maybe in the kitchen? Some little wooden tools. As I said, love to do like a doll's house scene or something like that, but I don't know if I got the patience. Oh, hello, Bailey. This is a little rubber. A little cookie on. How cute is that? That's adorable. This is Bailey's body. He's a big chunky monkey. Then these look cute as anything, aren't they? I think they must be die cuts. Whoop. Bales. Oh, the cute little stickers of jugs and things. They're so sweet, aren't they, in the pink spots? I love that. And then in here we have some more die cuts. There we go. Lots of wishing you every happiness now and always. That's nice, isn't it? Not just now until you annoy me. And then she also put some other goodies in that Bailey seems to be around. So she very generously gave me this cutie. Look, it's a little cat in a cup. Now, Bailey and Mango are both beyond the days of ever climbing into a cup. If ever they were that small, I do wonder. And it's a nice rubber one. And the benefits of rubber stamps is the detail is really good. So this one isn't mounted. So I think I've run out of mounting stuff. Normally I would put the stuff in the back to mount it. So probably what I will do is just put some, I've got some spray adhesive from Crafter's Companion that's like a temporary spray, and then you can just stick that straight onto the back of your acrylic block and stamp it like that. Especially if you've got like a squishy mat here like I have, to get your impression. So if you do get an unmounted one, you always have the two options. I do like to mount them onto the foam mounting, if that's the best, if I have any at the time. But otherwise, as I say, you can spray them. She's given me some doilies. I do love a doily. And look, some of them are hearts. love. I love it. I love those. They're going to go in my doily collection. I've got some veggie stickers. I've got some baking stickers. Those are adorable, aren't they? And this is her card. And it's, I don't know what you call this kind of card, where it's like cut in parts. I don't know what you call it, but it's nice and it's gingham. So I love it. So that is really cute. So just looking at it then. Thank you very much to Pip and to Sophia. I absolutely love everything. And let me know, guys, when you want to swap again. And if anyone else wants to take part in swaps, do let me know. I shall see you all soon. Bye.